vlogging on my phone, and I'm not happy about it.
Except for your ring, though.
That's an ugly ass Amazon page. Or this recyclable shit. Ugh, it stinks. He stinks when it gets wet. Did you see in my vlog with the straw? You didn't watch day 4, did you? I sucked that straw and I tasted foam. I tasted foam. Look at the door. Oh, I get so happy every time. I was nasty.
That was a hawk.
Eating a
Cat.
You look at me?
Yeah, they look at you.
Why?
Are you sure they got them things here?
What things?
The houses.
Where?
At Walmart.
They should.
Or we going to Publix.
I didn't see any at Publix.
Okay.
You know, they would have definitely caught my attention.
You were so fun. Got a little headache.
You need to do something with his hair. What can I do with it? They're just I don't have a mask, bro. Come on, man. I don't ever have a mask anymore. What is happening? Damn. Why are we going to Publix?
We're not going to Publix. We're going to Walmart.
Can I go in there with no mask? Oh. Huh?
No.
For real?
No, baby.
You said I could go in places with no mask as long as I got a vaccine.
Go anywhere without a mask.
I hate those. You know I hate those. They make me sick to my stomach.
How does it make you sick to your stomach?
Just give me one, but it still make me sick to my stomach.
It's literally in a plastic bag.
Ugh. What is that? What do they make that out of? Like, I hate like gauze or any of that stuff. It's so Don't hand it to me like that.
That's what the doctor is.
That's nasty. I'm not a doctor.
So the kids can bake with grandma. Oh, that's so sweet. That was the extra 25% I saved and the full cash I got. I take it safe.
I despise Walmart, but gotta be here because the things I want are in here. I also want gingerbread cookies. I want like Christmas cookies. I want to make Christmas cookies. I'm in the spirit. I'm so mad I'm at Walmart. Oh, I love those little sacks. Look. These are so cute. Look at these. And you put the present in there and you tie it up and put it under the tree. Like your air fryer could have went in the bag like that. But that bag's too small for that. Ooh, candy. Candy. Sometimes my lashes be like, what? Oh, not me going to the freaking, that's hilarious. I was probably standing right here with the gingerbread man behind me. Yeah. He was gonna go look. Oh, look. Oh, stuff like this gets me so excited. I miss these days. I just love touching baby dolls. I used to love holding them in a little tub. Oh, I had so many toys. It was disgusting. I'm an only child, so my mom's only child. I have to elaborate on that because that sounds crazy when my brother just be popping up in my videos.
Alright, so you got 3 options.
Oh my goodness, I love this one. This box is a lot bigger than I thought it was. Oh, they got the Christmas cookies down there too. You want to do that instead?
I would
You would rather decorate the Christmas cookies?
yeah. I struggle with them houses, so.
What's that? What is that?
It's an advent calendar.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Now I want to watch Batter Santa.
I was just thinking that. That's the only reason I know what that is.
An advent calendar. What y'all think? This one? Where's the other one? Or that one? I'd rather do that one. That's because I like baby blue. And then this is the house I got. Wait, what? That's not the house I got.
Yeah, it is.
No. What is that house? Okay. So you can do the same house. Okay. I want this house. I want this. You can fry a turkey in the extra large electric fryer, boiler, and steamer. Look at it, y'all.
It's only 80 bucks.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
What is that? Is that supposed to be a shrimp bowl? Anything in kid size always makes me smile. It's like, look at it. It's a miniature version. Your baby's gonna be like that. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Apply that pressure. The toes. The toes. Let me see. Batter Santa. They put batter like cake batter. Cognac pillowcases. I'm excited. Okay.
Hell yeah. I need something for my office, you know. Things look good.
Okay, I gotta get a couch for your office first, and I want it to be a pull-out, so it ain't a regular couch. Y'all and all y'all sound effects, y'all make so much noise. Y'all know that? Anybody ever tell y'all make a lot of noise? I don't know about this. Getting a square pillow inside of a pillowcase ain't as easy as a regular pillow. Ooh. Please tell me I didn't just do what I think I did. Oh, man, I'm such a rough person. I really think I just broke it. Oh. Calm down, mama. 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 I know. It's an exciting moment. What are you doing? Why are you opening that? I haven't even had a chance to wrap any gifts yet. You can wrap it after I'm finished. Wrap it after you open it, really? This is not easy, babe. There's gotta be an easier way.
Oh. How you gonna let me do it?
Do what? Why ain't let you do what? I don't think rolling it was the best idea. God, I can't get it to come unrolled. What's the method? Open it up. Stuff it in there. Get it all in there.
What did you say then?
Stuff that bird. Stuff that turkey.
Alright.
She attacks everything. Alright, I got my camera. This is what the pillows look like. Honestly, I don't know. This room is giving like grandma vibes right now, and it's kind of irritating me. So I'm just gonna wait until I get a picture and my lamp and my mirror, and then worry about this room then, because it is not giving what I wanted to give. So yeah, and I'm not gonna irritate myself with it, because I have a whole other living room right here that is fully furnished. So I'll be all right. Okay, so babe, what are you about to do? You just putting that up? Oh, okay. Just looking at, so is he making his chicken? $3.50 for these cookies. Did I show y'all the cookies we got? And $3.50 for these. I got these because I really wanted the little snowman cookies. I love these, the sugar cookies. And then I didn't find any gingerbread cookies except for these. So I'm about to make those. So I'm about to put 2 pans of cookies in the oven. What you call it? Aw, Daddy. You see that nub? Why is that nub go crazy for her daddy? I know. Her love her daddy. Her love her daddy. I love her daddy. Can you, yeah, I can see that. Yes. Oh, her love. Her love. Hush, boy. You're so jealous. You love your daddy. You love your mama too? 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 Oh, you reach for mama. Reach for mama. Reach for mama. You reach for mama. I can't touch you, baby. I just wash my hands. I love you, though. All right, y'all. So this is what we got. We got a couple extras, so I'm gonna throw them in after these are done. And then we got the gingerbreads. And then look, can y'all see the little mini gingerbreads? Oh my goodness. So cute. Not as cute as this little peeable though. Look at that little peeable. Look at that little peeable. You need to get out my kitchen. So yeah. That's what we got, and I'll show y'all what they look like when we're done. And here are the cookies. Don't they look so good? They taste really good too. I already tasted one, even though I know I shouldn't because I'm gonna spoil my appetite, but I think it's so pretty. And I had to get the shot in front of the Christmas tree just so y'all can see that. I'm about to put them back in the microwave so that they can stay nice and warm. Babe went to get the pizza. I'm about to set up over here so that we can go ahead and start. So we're gonna decorate. I made gingerbread cookies and sugar cookies because we're decorating these sugar cookies, but obviously y'all know don't nobody eat these. And then I'm decorating this one. I'm trying to find the side I like. I don't like that top side. I like this. And because you can't eat the gingerbread and you can't eat the sugar cookies, we're gonna have those cookies so that when we do start making these and we start to want to eat them, we will have some to eat because crazy. And then also over here, I have our little mugs. They say let it snow. And then I have some marshmallows, hot chocolate, and I meant to get my cinnamon to sprinkle on the top. And we actually do have whipped cream from Thanksgiving, but I don't know. We have one that's frozen, but I wouldn't have enough time to thaw it. So let me look and see what this whipped cream is looking like. Oh, it don't look bad. So I have whipped cream, marshmallows, and hot chocolate. Yeah, I'm watching Power. So I'm just waiting for Trey to get back, drink some water, and that's it. All right, y'all. You should let me make that. That looks stank. It would have looked so pretty. It's all ain't mine. How is it?
A lot of chocolate.
Too much chocolate?
I think I'm about to do 3 scoops too many.
Oh, 3 scoops too many? Jeez.
Yeah. It's good though.
I bet it is. Didn't I tell y'all my hot chocolate would look better? Look at it. That hot chocolate looks seasoned.
Bless you.
His was looking all white. All right, we're about to get into these. And we're watching Bad Santa, my favorite Christmas movie. I did so good, didn't I tell you? This is the box, and this is what I did. I think I did really good. I did. Look, it looks so good.
Yeah.
What do you think, girl? Tell me. I think I did good. I mean, that fondant, I did that. That came from me watching so much Cake Boss and all those little shows because I was rolling this fondant and cutting it in squares and filling it in there and just, girl, did the damn thing. And then look at their cookies, y'all. Little cookies.
We did that.
Little cookies. Little cookies, you did it. So that is the end of day 7. Vlogmas day 7. Feeling much better. Tomorrow's gonna be really good. I have a video going up for y'all. It's not gonna be a vlog. It's gonna be like an update video. So I don't really have to film as much. Well, I'm gonna still film tomorrow, but I'll be like caught up, thank God, because I'm like super behind from being sick. But it's cool. I'm not really stressing it. Y'all watching the videos as I post them, so I'm not really stressing it at all. Y'all are still watching them, and I feel like they'll pick up, like the views are gonna really pick up this week. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to be planning content. So we're gonna like get outfits, plan out topics, all that stuff, update all the things we need to update. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. So we'll have a lot to do tomorrow. I have a couple videos I want to do for y'all, like how I'm gonna plan my content. So that's gonna be a how I plan my content video that I'm doing for y'all. And then one day I'm gonna do like a way more detailed one. But I want to do also like an iPad video where I show y'all how I like organize my iPad and all that stuff, and use my iPad to like stay on schedule with like my fitness, like my budget, my business, my content, everything, all that stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all that too. So thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all tomorrow.
Everyone